let us welcome our next performer on stage. Once again, an endorser of the brilliant medical group, Paolo Avellino.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The best we ever had, and we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're
sa inyo lahat and wow, napakaganda ng mga tao ngayon. And of course, welcome sa mga visitors natin from Visayas and Mindanao. Thank you for traveling all the way here to Manila for this very special launching and event.
Alright, thank you so much, Paolo Avellino. At grabe, ang rami mong pinakilig na mga brilliants tonight. Tama po ba?
Sayang di na ako nakaabot sa likod.
Yeah, I just have a few questions. Pero before that, let's call on Miss RC Munoz back on stage. Together with Miss Glenda. Wow, may mga fans si Paolo. Pakimanatics.
Thank you.
All right, so let's do a photo op. Okay, smile to the camera. All right, 3, 2, 1, brilliant! Ang fresh, ang very brilliant na mga endorsers ng Brilliant Medical Group. Hi, thank you so much, Miss Glenda and Miss RC. Grabe, babalik tayo. Ang rami mong pinakilig ngayon. Mga brilliant. You know what? I heard it's not your first time na mag-perform in front of all our brilliants. So what keeps you coming back? Bakit? Ayan. Ayan, siguro, okay. What keeps you coming back, Paolo?
Just to share my story with Brilliant, si Miss Glenda kinuha niya ako para kumanta last December. I'm sure yung iba sa inyo nandun rin. At after nun, kinuha po ako ni Miss Glenda for Brilliant Medical Group. So I'm very thankful and very grateful to the whole Brilliant Group for having me. And of course, congratulations in advance for your new products and of course, for Brilliant Medical Group as well.
All right, thank you so much, Paolo. And it's such a pleasure. Grabe, pag tumingin, na nasa starstruck ako. It's such a pleasure to see you here with us today, representing the Brilliant Medical Group. At eto na nga, pero bukod sa pag-perform mo here today, I'm pretty sure everyone is also excited and also wants to learn more about the Brilliant Medical Group. So, let's call on Miss Glenda. Yes, once again, Miss Glenda. Chikahan muna tayo dito with the CEO.
Ayan, so sobrang na-overwhelmed kasi ako. Ang daming nanonood sa Facebook, tsaka sa TikTok, kahit walang sound.
Wow.
Nagtsatsaga silang manood, so ang dami po nag-aabang talaga sa inyo. And kinikilig po sila sa inyo. Ang gwapo!
Sobra.
Inang, ang gwapo niya talaga. Totoo. Isa pa daw.
Isa pa.
Isa pang song?
Isa pang song. Impromptu yan, Paolo. Pero before, iniisip muna ni Paolo kasi parang kailangan sobrang hype-up siya. But I just have a few questions since nandito na rin ang ating CEO na si Miss Glenda. Ano yung mga go-to services mo, yung favorite product or services sa Brilliant Medical Group?
Actually, wala po akong masyadong alam. Siguro, karamihan po talaga ng mga kalalakihan ay hindi masyadong maalam sa mga ginagawa sa mukha. Pero nung pumunta po ako, sabi ko, Doc, ikaw na pong bahala. So may mga favorite po ako, yung hydrofacial. And of course, there's this new laser na ginagamit nila to lighten the pigments of your skin, which is very good. Bilang prone rin ako sa acne. So, ayan, si Doc Ara po yung nag-aalaga sa akin sa Brilliant Medical.
Yes.
Actually, tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, sobrang kinis niya kasi talaga ngayon. So,
Salamat, Brilliant Medical Group.
Profilo yon na ginagawa ko din. Sometimes, syempre, hindi na tayo pabata.
Yes.
Tumatanda din tayo. And thank you, Paula, sa pagpapasaya. Parang ang saya din ng lola ko.
Salamat.
Fan
Salamat.
din po ba?
Kinilig
si
din
Lola?
yung lola ko. Baka aabutin po tayo ng 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. Paano tayo mag-aano dyan? Maglaklak.
Alright.
Yung next event na lang, kakanta ulit. Dadamihan ko na.
Sa next event, para lang kay Paolo Avellino.
Malay niyo, mag-duet rin kami ni Kim.
Oh, yeah! Daming fans!
Bakit nga ba hindi?
Raming fans. So, what's wrong with Secretary Kim?
Super, I'm a fan. Lagi ako nanonood.
Yes, tama ba mga Kim and Addicts? Yes. Pero don't worry guys, kahit hindi siya mag-perform or another performance, siya naman ang makakasama natin sa next raffle draw!